Okay, so here's example 2. So, same thing. We are checking here and here to make sure there are no numbers to distribute. And then I'm looking here and here to make sure that there are no exponents. So if there are none of those, then I can go ahead and add these, rewrite them, and just drop the parentheses. The parentheses are just grouping symbols at that point. Okay. Sometimes parentheses can mean that there is everything. It's a group of things taken to a power. Sometimes it means it's multiplication, and sometimes it's just a group of things that are being added or subtracted. So you have to kind of look to see what the parentheses mean. So there are none of those, so I can just rewrite this. So So negative 3 plus 6x plus 2x to the 4th. And then this 8x inside is positive, so plus 8x to the 4th minus 3x to the 5th minus 7x. Okay? So then step 2 would be to rewrite these in order. Okay? So highest exponent to lowest exponent, negative 3x to the 5th. There's a positive 8x to the 4th, and yours may look a little different than someone else's, so as long as they're together. And then I usually start at the beginning and work my way through it, but not always. That should be minus. Okay, and then there's just 1 minus 3. Okay, if I look, this is by itself, so there's nothing to add to it, so I just bring it down. These two go together, so positive 8, positive 2 is positive 10. They're the same, so I add them, keep the sign. Notice that my variable didn't change. These two are like terms, so positive 6, so 7 minus 6 is 1. I have more negatives, so it's minus 1. If you want to put the 1, you can. If you don't want to, you can just write negative x. And then, just like the beginning, the negative 3 is by itself, so there's my answer. Okay? Okay, we'll do 2 examples in this video. So again, nothing to distribute, no power, nothing to distribute, no power. Okay, so if I wanted to combine a couple steps, I could go straight from here, especially with the addition. Okay, I don't suggest this with the subtraction, but I can look and say, okay, there's a high exponent, so negative 2x to the 5th. And then look for the 4s. So I only have 1 4 plus 7x to the 4th. 3s, so negative 2x to the 3rd, and then a negative 5x to the 3rd plus 6x squared, and then plus 4x squared. Okay, so the 5 and the 4, there's nothing that goes with them. So negative 2x to the 5th plus 7x to the 4th. And then these two go together. So negative 2 and negative 5. So I have 2 negatives and I get 5 more negatives. So that's negative 7x to the 3rd. And then here, these two go together, positive 6, positive 4. I have 6 positives. I have 4 more positives. That's positive 10. So notice how these two are just like addition. Okay? I guess I have time to do the last one. All right. So, same idea here. It's positive, no number to distribute, no power, no number to distribute, no power. Okay? So, my highest exponent is a 2. So, negative 6x squared minus x squared. X is my next one, so that's plus 8x minus 8x. Notice how that has a minus on the front. And then negative 1 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? These two go together, so that's negative 7x squared. These two go together, that's 0. It goes away. Don't need to write anything. These two, negative 1 plus 5 is positive 4. Okay? Done.